Welcome to another Telegram tutorial where we make your messaging experience smarter. Today, we're diving into a powerful new feature on Telegram Web for PC that lets you jump to specific dates and channels effortlessly. Whether you're revisiting an important announcement or reliving a memorable conversation, this update will save you endless scrolling. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to web.telegram.org. Log in using your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your familiar chat list on the left. Now, locate the channel you want to explore from the menu. Click on it to open the conversation. Here's where the magic happens. Look at any message in the channel and hover your cursor above it. You'll notice a subtle but crucial detail, the timestamp of the message. Click directly on the date displayed above any message. Instantly, a sleek calendar interface will pop up, allowing you to navigate through months and years. Use the calendar to select the exact date you're interested in. Want to revisit last month's project update, or maybe a holiday greeting from December? Simply scroll through the calendar, click your desired day, and watch as Telegram works its magic. Once you've chosen the date, hit the Jump to Date button. Within seconds, the chat will refresh, and you'll be transported directly to the beginning of that day's messages. No more endless scrolling or guesswork. This feature is perfect for busy channels with hundreds of daily posts, letting you pinpoint information with surgical precision. But that's not all. If you're managing a community or running a project through a channel, this tool is a game changer. Need to reference a policy update from 3 weeks ago? Done. Curious about the exact time a critical announcement was made? Sorted. The calendar jump ensures you stay organized without wasting time. A quick tip. Combine this with Telegram's search bar for even faster results. After jumping to a date, use keywords in the search field to filter messages further. It's like having a time machine and a magnifying glass for your chats. So, the next time you're lost in a sea of messages, remember this simple trick. Telegram Web's date navigation puts you in control, turning hours of scrolling into a single click. For more tips on mastering Telegram, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.